Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat and click on your profile icon on the top left. Once you're on here, click on the settings cog on the top right. Then you should see username near the top, so you just want to tap on there. This will just let you know this is how your friends find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year. So if you're happy with that, just select change username in blue, and then it will let you know your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. So if you're okay with that, just select continue. Then obviously you'll have to try and find a name that nobody else has. And when you're happy with that, just select next. And then it'll ask you to add your password and select confirm. And that will change your username on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.